Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up a coordination space on BIM 360 Glue. Glue is a part of a BIM 360 environment that helps to make the coordination process easy and seamless between coordinators and other participants. First, you need to create a project on BIM 360. You can skip this if you already have one. Go to BIM 360 and sign into your account. Go to the needed profile. You mean to open the Account Admin menu. In the Projects tab, you can see all projects created. To create a new project, click Add. Fill in the project information and set the name, project type, image, and other. Then click Save and Continue. You will be redirected to the project page. From the Services tab, activate BIM 360 Glue. Click Activate. You can also add additional services. From the Members tab, you can give access to needed members. Click Add and enter the person's email. You can set needed access to all project members, then click Add to Project. Open BIM 360 Glue. Select the host and open the needed project. On the left toolbar, you can see three tabs: Project Overview, Merged Models, and Project Models. In the Project Overview tab, you can see all of the recent activities in the project. This list is blank as long as we did not upload any models yet. Let's move to the Models tab. Here we can organize our workspace by creating folders. Right-click on the project folder, create a subfolder. Folders can be created to organize different models, disciplines, and others. When the folder structure is created, it is time to upload some files required for coordination. Go to the needed folder, then click Upload Models. Drag and drop your files, then click Upload. Now we can see all of the recent actions in the project overview. To create a merged coordination model, go to the Merged Models tab. Click on Add Merged Model. Here you can access models uploaded on Glue. Run through the folders, check the files you want to include in the merged model. Set the needed model name and click Merge Models. You will see a model preview through the Autodesk Viewer. Go back to the project and all of the created merged models appeared in the corresponding tab. You can create multiple merged models for different purposes with different linked files. Additionally, Glue helps with tracking the model versions. For each model, you can see the main information about uploading time, member, or version. To update the model, go to the needed folder and click Upload Models. If you upload the model with the same naming, Glue suggests you update the version. Click Update. Now we can see that all of the models updated to version 2. If the file is appended to the merged model, all of the changes are applied to it. The coordination environment is set up. To access the merged model, open the Navisworks. You need a BIM 360 Glue extension. From the BIM 360 Glue tab, open the project folder. Select a needed project. Then you can open any of the merged models created. Click Open. Now you can work with this model directly from Navisworks. Each time the model is saved, it creates a new version. To give access to this project to different members, log into your BIM 360 account and open BIM 360 Glue. Select Host and click OK. Open the needed project and from the Project Members tab, click Add. Enter the email addresses to which you want to send the invitation if needed. Now coordination environment is set to start working. Subscribe to our channel to keep learning new things with new vision. Thanks for watching.